Nothing frustrates surgeons more, nor creates more danger for a patient, than discovering a contaminated instrument. And yet, this happens every day in orthopedic ORs across the United States. One of the most common sources of contamination is the reusable depth gauge. Though it looks simple, its hidden nooks and crannies and narrow cannulations trap bioburden in places reprocessing tools cannot reach. Well-trained SPD teams cannot fully clean its internal features, creating avoidable risk for patients and uncertainty for the surgical team. Traditional depth gauges also fall short in accuracy, often leading to wasted screws or measurement errors, resulting in patient complications such as pain, soft tissue damage, screw prominence, non-union, and revision surgery. These errors drive up cost, risk, and liability for both surgeons and hospitals. This risk is unnecessary, and it is now avoidable. Introducing the EDG by Edge Surgical, the first sterile packaged single patient use electronic depth gauge designed to eliminate contamination risk, standardize measurement, and improve surgical consistency. The EDG digital display delivers precise, repeatable depth readings, removing guesswork, reducing repeated measurements, and preventing wasted screws. Its patented hook structure stabilizes placement for consistent and accurate results every time. EDG is universal, compatible with major plate and screw systems used across orthopedic trauma, reconstruction, and extremity procedures. EDG delivers benefits across the entire hospital. Supply chain benefits from reduced implant waste and fewer unplanned tray replacements. SPD gains relief from an instrument they cannot reliably clean. Risk management and infection prevention gain a clear path to lowering exposure. OR leadership gains a tool that keeps rooms running on schedule. EDG comes sterile and ready to use, is more precise, easier to read, and built for the modern operating room. Start ordering EDG for your orthopedic cases and stop worrying about the danger lurking in your instrument trays. To learn more, contact Edge Surgical today.